For those of you who don't know what's going on, I'll explain more why I'm on another channel and what this channel is. If you guys remember my old unboxing videos, back in like 2017, when I was on the struggle bus, when YouTube kind of went downhill when it came to ad revenue, I'm gonna be bringing that to this channel, but with a twist. So shout out to Anchor.
It's AUKEY, not Anchor! How do you say the wrong company name?
I'm also afraid to show my address because I don't want you to send me stuff that I can't say without getting demonetized. So today's video is kind of a mystery. Then again, none of you even know what's going on. Oh my god, what the heck? It's just in a bag. Made in China. Alright, well, let's get all this stuff out. What is all... Bro, it's like Christmas before Christmas. It's just a bunch of white bags. Oh, this one's straight from AUKEY. Shout out to AUKEY. You guys have come through in the past with giving me packages, so hey. This one's heavy, what the heck? I was a poor college student, and now I'm a poor graduate. So I need every product I can get. Business at Golven.live. Send me your products. Oh my god, there's another box. A 63 watt dual port PD wall charger. This brick allows fast charging. Up to 70% faster than a regular 5 watt brick that you would use. This is 63 watts. Oh god, let's go with this one. Got this unnecessary packaging for this small package. I'm actually so glad they gave me this because I need this. USB-C to lightning cable. These two obviously go together. You got the fast charging brick with the USB-C to lightning cable so that you're actually able to use this brick properly and use the fast charge, utilize the fast charge. We also get a wireless charging hub. I should probably open all these, but I want to see what the rest of these products are. This is USB-C to C cable, 6.6 feet, and it's red. Yeah, I'm getting good at this already. 27 watt PD wall charger. Just another small wall charger. I'm assuming it's for the USB-C to USB-C cable. Oh, wow. An 8,000 milliamp hour wireless charging power bank. If you don't want to charge from the wall because you're on the go all the time like me, an 8,000 wireless milliamp hour power bank that you could take with you and charge whenever you want. Don't need cables. Plop that sucker right on. I want to look at the power bank first. Ooh, this is sleek. That's nice. It has like a nice plasticky feel. You have USB 2 and USB 3. I wonder, and you have the charging port is micro USB. I'm assuming that comes in the box. Yeah, it comes in the box with a couple stickers and a manual. 24-month product warranty. There's lights to indicate how charged it is. 4 lights. It's fully charged right now. Let's see if it works. If I put it on the wrong side, what happened? There we go. Easy. I need to charge my phone anyway, so I'm just gonna leave that there. This is just a simple USB-C to USB-C cable, I think, for those who have products that are that charge with USB-C. So that's probably why they gave that to me. I'm an iPhone pleb, I'm sorry. It's a nice red cable though. I actually like that a lot. I want to see the wireless charging hub because I've been needing a new wireless pad for a while. They're the most convenient devices ever. You just put one next to your desk. Plop your phone on that, phone's always charged, and you get to always see whenever you get a message, which is never, because I have no friends. It has 2 USB 3s on the side as well, if you do want to just connect a device directly. That is a really nice... There's an HDMI that comes on the other side, and another USB 3 port. All these products come with 24-month warranties as well, so that's pretty good. Even the cable comes with a 24-month product warranty. This is a really, really nice wireless charging hub. And it even has HDMI. Why? Yeah, it literally says it comes with 4K HDMI. It's a 100 watt power delivery. Type-C 5-in-1 hub. I want to see what this little guy has to offer here. 27 watt wall charger. Oh, he's so small. He's literally just a little guy. Wow. Type-C as well. I can't open him. Hello? There you go. Simple Type-C. Fast charging as well. This could be good for traveling. Just a small little brick. You don't want something hefty like this. 65 watt. This is at least 27, so it's still more than 5 watts with a normal brick. Type-C as well. And I can see the type of package that AUKEY sent me here. It's like the ultimate guide for charging your devices. I want to open up the big brick. That's a hefty one. Yep. Wow. It's a nice looking brick. 2 USB-Cs. It can charge up to 70% faster than a regular 5-watt brick. If you want maximum juice and to be able to charge as fast as you can through a wall outlet, this is definitely the option for you. If you're traveling or you want something smaller, something that isn't going to take up as much space, then I would definitely go with the 27 watt, just a cute little guy. That bundled with, again, if you're traveling and you want something slim, 8,000 milliamp hour wireless power bank, great for traveling. Also has USB 3, USB 2, and for the desk, whenever you're working, USB, a 5-in-1 hub, wireless charging hub, even with HDMI, 4K HDMI, and another USB-C. I want to see if this works. I'm gonna plug this into the, oh wait, I can't. Wait, can I? Or will that, is that the wrong way? I forgot to open the actual cable that I'm gonna be able to use the USB-C to Lightning. I appreciate the attention for detail, not having a boring white cable, and it's braided as well. This seems like a pretty solid cable. I want to plug it into the power bank and see if it works. Boom. Instantly charging. This is the ultimate bundle for charging your devices, both fast, efficiently, and even giving you quick and awesome on-the-go methods with small devices like this that still provide a lot more power than regular 5-watt power bricks, or just better in general when it comes to power banks. So thank you again to AUKEY for sending me these products. I'm assuming there's going to be a deal available soon because of Black Friday and Cyber Monday on their website. Check the description for info about that. More info coming soon on why I'm on this channel in the first place, what this channel is and what it's going to be. And for those that are fans of GoldMine and that have been watching me for a long time, this is some merch. You can get this merch at shop.goldmine.live. As time goes on, things will be different. This is a completely new thing to me, and progress will be made for sure. But for now, this is all we got. My phone was at 88%. It's already at 95%, so that's definitely a good sign, and I'm still plugged in on the power bank, so that's pretty cool. All right, I guess I'll see you guys in the next video, whenever that is, I guess.